Welcome to Infomania, and I'm your friendly host Paranta Mishra. In this digital world, I'm sure many of us often visit different websites. Either it is to check our mail, gain information, or even to shop. Have you ever wondered the mechanics behind creating one? And I'm sure many of us would be intimidated by the prospect of making one. In these tutorials, I would be taking you through the basics of HTML, which lies at the heart of website making. In this video, which is the first of the series, I will introduce HTML and lay the foundations of this language. Now let us see some basics of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages, and it was invented by Tom Berners-Lee in 1989. A markup language is a language that uses tags. So let's see what are tags. A tag is an HTML command that defines the manner in which the content should be formatted and displayed in the browser. All the tags must be included within angular brackets. Some examples are body, HTML, head, title, etc. There are two types of tags: container and empty tags. A container tag is a tag that needs to be closed. A tag is closed by putting a / in front of the tag name. For example, the header tag. In this, h1 is the opening tag and /h1 is the closing tag. Second, empty or open tags. An empty tag is a tag that does not require closing tags. Some examples are image, br, hr, etc. Now let's talk about attribute. An attribute is a special keyword used inside a tag to specify additional information about the tag or to customize it. For example, h1 align is equal to center. Here, align is the attribute and center is its value. Also notice that the spelling of center is CENTER instead of TRE. This is because HTML is made by Microsoft, which is an American company. So we use American English. Now let's see the structure of an HTML page. This section is known as the head section, and this is known as the body section, where all the content is written. Inside the head section, we have the title. Now that I have given you some basics, let's apply this knowledge practically. I will be coding in Sublime Text, which is a very good free code editor. I have given the link of the website from where you can download Sublime Text in the description box. Or you can use any other code editor such as Notepad, VS Code, Atom, etc. One point of caution here: whenever you are saving your files, please save it with the .html extension. All websites need to have 4 necessary tags. First is the HTML tag. The HTML tag defines the starting and the closing of this web page. Next, we have the header tag, which defines the head section of the page. Inside head, we have the title tag. The title tag defines the title of the web page. Let's see basics. Outside the head tag, we have the body tag. This defines the body of the HTML page. In here, we write the content we want to display in our HTML page. Now let me show you how to view this in the browser. If you are using Sublime Text, you can simply right click on this page and open in browser. As we had no content here, no content will be shown. If you are not using Sublime Text and using other code editors such as Notepad, you would need to do the following thing. You would need to go to the folder in which the file resides, then right click on it, open with, and whichever web browser you want to open it with. That's it for this video. In the next video, I would be telling you how to insert data in the body. Happy coding!